welcome to the ASTRO. So in this Python tutorial, you are going to learn that how to show progress bar of your certain task completions. I means using this Tqdm, you can show that like how much task is being completed in how much time, or you can predict, or you can also like check how much iteration is performing per second. So let's do it. Okay, so for that I will import so from Tqdm import Tqdm, and suppose I want to import Numpy library, so import Numpy as np, and then you can use for loop. Okay, so for or maybe you can call it x equal to np dot linear space 1 to 100 1 to 1000 and 1000 steps, and then for I in range of length of x, I want to perform x square. Okay, so for doing x square, how much time it will take, right? So x of I y square. So if you simply run it, then it will not show any time, and it will just do on its own. Okay, so if I here add Tqdm and close it, then you can observe that, and if you run the code, see it has computed in very small time. And so I will increase the length and then run it. So maybe I can go for more. So here you can see that your progress bar is showing with respect to that time, that how much iteration is taking per second, and you can see that completion is going in terms of percentage. Okay, so it's 30%, 35, 36. So this way you can do. So I will wait for a time to complete it. You can use any function, multiplication, subtraction, or anything you want, adding two numbers like in different length of the array. So it is about complete, and we will see. So it's completed. So it has taken around 55 seconds and this much iteration per second, right? You can like use two for loops you can use. So